Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share very beautiful, very stunning designs, and this channel is Hanna by Crochet by Hanna. Very amazing and elegant designs of different pattern. And Crochet by Hanna designs की आज की वीडियो में आप सबके देख रहे हैं crochet neck warmer. Crochet neck warmer ideas. We have more fantastic and fabulous videos. You will be getting stunning videos. Different perfect ideas, so we'll be getting it. And इस तरह के अमेजिंग से जो भी आप लोगों को नेक वार्मर दिखाए जाते हैं या जिस तरह की फ्रॉक्स वगैरह या इस तरह के काफ़ी सारे डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स जो क्रोशेट में अवेलेबल हूँ आप लोग इजीली कैरी कर सकते हैं. काफ़ी मैनी मोर थिंग्स डिजाइन में हैं. And different pattern, different gorgeous videos of neck warmer ideas. It's neck warmer is the winter season best collection of you, and sophisticated designs. We are demanding videos and demanding articles and different colors combinations, like one color combination. It's amazing and easily used with totally anything for you. Many more stunning videos, so will be stunning designs and different pattern, different gorgeous videos. I want to very beautiful designs. I requested all of you. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All stunning, all getting design. We have many stunning videos. You will be getting stunning designs and amazing ideas. I want very beautiful, very stunning designs and different perfect videos. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself.